Pete from Rocher and has a roof slope question.
He says listening to you, he blames you for becoming a builder.
Oh.
Yeah.
I hope he makes money because it's pretty tough to make money.
It is a tough way to make a living. So Pete writes, I'm bidding a job that calls for demolition of a patio, and then they're going to make an addition on that same footprint. Okay, except they want to take the it's about 30 feet by 8 feet long, and they want to raise the walls on the addition to 10 feet. Well, that's going to change the pitch on the roof from 11 feet to 10 feet drop in about a 9-foot run. And he says he doesn't think it's going to look good. He doesn't think it's going to work well. He wants your advice.
Well, I'd have to see drawings. I mean, first thing you do is you do drawings and plans to see if it looks good. You definitely have to have at least a 412 slope just for the shingles to work. And if you need to go up on the roof higher or lower, whatever it takes. But that's what drawings are all about.
Right.
You know, people say, I have an idea. Do this and this, and then but when it's all done, they look at it and go, oh my gosh, that's not what I expected. So pay a few hundred, maybe, $500-600 for someone to AutoCAD you a drawing of the whole thing, because it's the only way you'll know. And man, it's easier to throw that piece of paper in the trash than it is to look at your thing and go, I got to live with this for the rest of my life.
I don't think it's the look.
I need a lawyer.
But I think you answered the question, the 412 slope. Because I think that was his biggest concern.
Oh, you have to. If it's a shingle roof, it's a 412 slope. Now, if you want a low sloped, and we have a great certified Home Show Pro that's Mueller Steel Buildings, and they do metal roofing, and that can go a really slight slope. Now, I don't know if it's going to match the architecture or not.
Well, I think that's one of his concerns is how it looks kind of oaky next to.
I don't know. Sometimes it doesn't. Charlie, you lived up north. You remember where you had the bottom end was metal, and then the shingles would after 3 feet up. But so it can be a blend.
But we did that so the snow wouldn't.
Yeah, I know why we did it. Well, we had snow twice this year. We're getting closer to the north.
There you go.
Anyway, it can blend if it's done right, but the slope with a regular shingle has to be at least about a 412.
Got that? Good luck with your project, buddy. You got questions, send them to us. Even if you try to build something, we're happy to help you at HomeShowRadio.com. Check out our videos and subscribe to our channel.